Yo, so I am here and I just wanted to show you that I got some of this awesome stone WootStout beer here. You can just check it out a little bit. So I got my awesome Batman beer glass here. So just wanted to give this a little bit of a taste for you. See back here, it's the Stone Farking Wheaton WootStout. Over here for you. And I'm just gonna enjoy a nice cold glass of this WootStout for you and tell you how it is. Man, that's tasty on your palate. You can definitely taste the wheat, but it's just delicious. Just for you guys.